In this video, I am going to show you some of the best sports apps for your Amazon Fire Stick to enhance your streaming experience. First up is ESPN, which provides access to a variety of sports content, including live events, highlights, and original shows. You can install the ESPN app from the Amazon App Store and log in with your cable provider for full access. Next, we have DaiZen, a popular sports streaming service that focuses on boxing, MMA, and other sports. Simply download the DAZN app from the App Store, create an account, and start streaming your favorite events live. Another great option is Sling TV, which offers a variety of channels, including ESPN and other sports networks. After installing Sling TV from the App Store, choose a subscription plan that fits your needs and enjoy live sports coverage. For those who want to watch international sports, Fubo TV is an excellent choice, offering a wide selection of sports channels. Install the Fubo TV app, sign up for a subscription, and you'll be ready to stream games and events from around the world. Lastly, consider Yahoo Sports, which provides live streaming of certain games, news, and highlights. Download the Yahoo Sports app, and you can keep up with your favorite teams and leagues. With these sports apps on your Fire Stick, you'll never miss a game. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.